you're watching Bill's Curls, and today I'm going to talk to you about Instagram promotions. So Instagram actually gave me $20 of credit to use to promote one of my posts. It was actually really random because on one of my posts that isn't even doing very well, like I'm used to getting around 400 to 500 likes on my posts. This is a post that I got about 300 likes, yet Instagram said that it was doing better than 90% of my posts. I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the amount of hashtags I used on it. I think I used a little bit less hashtags on that, and if you have too many hashtags on your posts, Instagram's not going to give you credit. So if you are interested in receiving Instagram credit, I would recommend using less hashtags than normal, because it's actually happened to me twice now that Instagram has offered me credit. Speaking on that, if Instagram does give you credit, I would recommend using it very soon, because the first post I received credit for, I didn't use it, and then the second post I used credit for, I did, but I think it only gave me one thing of credit now. So I think I only got $20 of credit when realistically I got $40. Sorry. But yeah, anyways, it was really weird because that post isn't doing nearly as good as my other posts, yet they still gave me the credit for it. However, I am going to act like I wasn't handed credit and that I actually did spend $20 on promoting one of my Instagram posts. So I'm actually going to show you guys a little bit of the analytics on this side right here, but I promoted a post that was already my best doing post. It had 600 likes before I promoted it. You know, it's just a normal Snapchat selfie. I usually post those, and it started off with 600 likes, and now it has 1,570. So it did give me about twice as many likes. Actually, it is still being promoted. I think today is the last, oh yeah, it finishes in 2 hours, so technically this is the end of it. But yeah, it ended with 1.6 thousand likes, and it has 51 comments. I didn't really get that many comments on it. It's been saved 66 times. What really impressed me was the profile visits. I've gotten about 2,000 profile visits, and 88% of those numbers came from the promotion. 24 people visited my website. Originally it was 5, which that's a lot more people, but I mean, kind of, I was hoping for a little bit more. I got 1 email, I have no idea what that's from. Here's the thing, is that this reached 38,000 people. Well, technically 39,000. 80% of that came from the promotion. That's like a ton of people. Like that's kind of crazy. My most reached picture originally is like 9,000, I think. And this gave me 107 follows. So the pros, I did get a lot of likes. I got over 1,000 likes, which is my first time ever reaching that. I got 100 followers from doing this over 4 days, so that's also pretty sicko. And it reached a lot of people. Here are the cons. I don't mean to say this as like this is a con, but I'm used to having around, I think, like 80% of my audience is female, 20% is male. That's just normal. I post Snapchat selfies and random hair, beauty, makeup stuff, and I'm not saying that guys can't be into that, but usually it's been very woman oriented. Women follow me. The audience for this post was 78% men and 22% women. That really weirded me out, right? Because I'm not used to that at all. The age range is around 13 to 17, which is what I would hope for, some 18 and 24. Top locations, what I put in my promotion, I put that I want people from UK, I want Georgia, New York, you know, just really big populated cities and states and stuff like that. But the top location is Tbilisi. I'm not actually even sure where that is, but yeah, a lot of people from Tbilisi saw my post. And the followers that the followers that I've been getting, they're creepy men. It's really strange. It's really weirded me out, that's the word. Because I chose my audience, you know, I created it, I said I want beauty freaks, people who are into skincare, makeup, all this stuff. Probably more than, okay, probably 70% of the followers that I got are weird, creepy men that have given me lots of weird DMs actually. Like here you can see a couple of them. It just weirds me out. And I'm not gonna complain because I still got the followers, you know? But I don't know if they're gonna be that loyal. I don't know if they're gonna be that, you know, into what I'm posting. It kind of just creeped me out, you know? Like, I'm just getting like a lot of weirdo guys following me. And you know, that's just what happens when you grow. You're gonna have weirdo people follow you, of course. I was just weirded out that the promotion, my promoted picture, mainly gave me weird, creepy men. And that's like, the other con is that it didn't go along with what I wanted. I had my audience, I picked it out, and Instagram promotions, they didn't follow what I said. They didn't promote it to people, I mean, what I know of. They just promoted it to creepy men, you know? So that was a little, I don't know, just a little odd to me. And then the other thing is that this was a $20 promotion and I only got 100 followers from it. Like, I'm not saying that 100 followers is bad, but usually in about a week I can get around 100 followers. And in 4 days from a promoted picture that was $20, I got 100. I don't feel like that's well worth the price, even though I didn't pay for it. I'm saying if I did, I wouldn't be satisfied at all if I had paid 20 bucks for 100 followers. You wanna know what else you can buy with $20? Victoria's Secret perfume and lotion, a fiddly fig, a set of dumbbells, a full-size tart-shaped hip concealer, maybe, a tripod with a ring light, a baby leopard gecko. I don't have mine with me, but you could. So what I'm saying, overall,
not a vibe.
I wouldn't say that it's worth it, honestly. I wouldn't say that this is worth it. I mean, maybe if you're starting off your account, like this is the first post, that could gain you, you know, like your first, like that could boost your account, but I personally would not spend $20 to gain 100 followers. That's just my opinion. That could be, 100 followers could be a really good number for people. It could be a really bad number. For me, it was like on a scale of 1 to 10, it was probably like a 4. So I'm glad that I did this because they did give me the credit for free, and gaining 100 followers for free, that's totally sweet. So if you can get Instagram credit, then that's great. You should definitely use it. I would recommend using this because it does help you grow. But if you're paying for it, I would be careful about that. I would look at other videos on how to best promote your Instagram post, because I probably didn't do it in the best way. I would look that up. I would look up how to get the most out of Instagram promotions. But, you know, I'm here right now telling you I wouldn't waste my money on it. Yeah, that's actually it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, I focus on beauty and wellness. So if you're into skincare or hair care like this, or makeup, or honestly anything, just check out my channel. See if you're interested, and if you are, it would be amazing if you could subscribe. I would love that. I just reached 700 subscribers today. It's crazy. I'm growing so much. I'm just... thank you guys so freaking much. Like, I never thought that this would happen. Actually, I did. I was hoping that this would happen. I just didn't think it would happen so quickly. I think I've gotten 400 subscribers in the past 2 weeks. Yeah. And it's from one video that I posted that got really, like, it got into the suggested page, and I'm famous. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a good day, and I will see you later. Bye!